these goals and these dreams. I know I can't live without them. Yeah.
Hey Glam Fam, welcome to my channel. Guys, today I will be making some DIYs using these disco balls from Dollar Tree. Well, they're tumblers. And guys, people have been telling me that they have not been able to find them at their Dollar Tree. So guys, I do have the barcode number, so I hope you all can see this, and if you can't, then pause it so you can get the number. And also you can call dollartree.com and you can also make the order over the phone. Okay guys, so let's get into this DIY. So we're going to use these popsicle sticks, some of these mirrors I got from Dollar Tree, our disco tumbler. We're going to use these mosaic pieces I got from Dollar Tree years ago, and these crystal lotus flowers I got from Burlington, but they do have some at Dollar Tree. We're using candle holders, these drawer pulls that I got from Amazon. And guys, let's get it started. Okay, so what we're going to do first is line all of our mirrors up to the way that we want them to be. We're going to apply these popsicle sticks to the back of it using our hot glue. And then we're going to go ahead and add our drawer pulls to the back of it. Okay guys, so this is how our candle holder slash centerpiece turned out. Guys, I am so impressed with the way it turned out using these Dollar Tree disco balls or tumblers. Okay, so let's get into the second DIY. We're going to use our disco balls, some mirrored frame that I got from Dollar Tree, and we're going to use our ribbon. I also got that from Dollar Tree. We're just going to take the ribbon and wrap it around the frame. Okay guys, so this is how our second DIY turned out. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous, and it was so simple and so easy to make, and it was definitely quick. Okay, so let's get into this third DIY. We're going to use these mirrors that I got from Hobby Lobby. Then we're going to use the top piece of the disco ball tumbler and the disco ball tumbler. Then we're going to use some of this chrome adhesive paper, and we're going to use our X-Acto knife. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put this chrome adhesive on the back of one of the mirrors. And the only reason I'm doing this is because I don't want the back part to show through the bottom part of the mirror once it's done. You'll probably understand why once I'm done with this. You can always use another mirror the same size if you like, but I'm just doing this, and I do have other mirrors, but I'm just doing this so that it won't too much show at the bottom. And guys, this is optional. It really is not a big deal, but I'm just doing this just for those who actually want to cover this. But I'm not keeping this DIY, so I'm just giving you all an idea of what you can do if you want to cover. Okay guys, so this is how our table turned out. Y'all, it is so cute. I actually put a vase that I had already on top of there just to show you how sturdy and how easy it was to hold. Now, if I was going to keep this, of course, I would use some of the E6000 or some kind of heavy duty glue. But I think this turned out perfectly, y'all. And it's just so many things that you can do with this little disco ball, y'all. I think I've done everything with this disco ball except for drink out of it, y'all. So if you like what you see, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs. Be blessed. I am.